Keep your legs in.
Oh, I can't.
Pull him in, pull him in.
I can't.
Pull him in.
Pull him in makes you go faster.
No! Oh my God, I'm gonna hurt myself. Quit it, make it stop. I'm sorry, this doesn't help.
You're in so much pain right now.
I'm gonna fall. I'm not even serious.
Oh no!
It hit you in the face.
I'm so dizzy.
Foot in the face. Oh, no. Ow!
Quit, I'm allergic to grass.